A blessed day, dear learners. Prepare yourselves for an enriching voyage of education and delight as we delve into the captivating topic on legacy in bronze, the artistic journey of Napoleon Abueva, 1930 to 2018. Please ensure your safety, and may divine blessings be with you at all times. We extend a warm welcome to you on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. What is Napoleon Abueva often referred to as in the context of Philippine sculpture? A. Father of Filipino painting. B. Father of modern Philippine sculpture. C. Master of traditional sculpture. D. Pioneer of contemporary Filipino art. Which biblical event does the sculpture Kiss of Judas by Napoleon Abueva depict? A. The Last Supper. B. The Crucifixion. C. The Betrayal of Jesus. D. The Resurrection. In Three Musicians, a sculpture by Napoleon Abueva, how many musicians are represented? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. What is the theme of the sculpture Sacrificed by Napoleon Abueva? A. War and conflict. B. Motherhood and sacrifice. C. Love and friendship. D. Nature and environment. Which of Napoleon Abueva's sculptures symbolizes the unity and strength of a family? A. Family. B. Sacrifice. C. Nine Muses. D. The Wrestlers. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If yes, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. We will help you deepen your understanding through this video.
Napoleon Abueva, 1930 hanggang 2018, was a renowned Filipino sculptor often referred to as the father of modern Philippine sculpture. Abueva's works are diverse, ranging from traditional to abstract, and can be found in various public spaces, museums, and private collections. Here is a list of some of his notable works. Si Napoleon Abueva, 1930 hanggang 2018, ay isang kilalang Pilipinong iskultor na kadalasang tinutukoy bilang ama ng makabagong iskulturang Pilipino. Ang mga gawa ni Abueva ay magkakaiba, mula sa tradisyonal hanggang abstract, at makikita sa iba't ibang pampublikong espasyo, museo, at pribadong koleksyon. Narito ang isang listahan ng ilan sa kanyang mga kilalang gawa. Kiss of Judas, 1951, a bronze sculpture depicting the biblical betrayal of Jesus Christ. Isang tansong iskultura na naglalarawan sa biblikal na pagkakanulo kay Jesu Kristo. Three Musicians, 1955, a group sculpture that represents three musicians playing different instruments. Isang grupong iskultura na kumakatawan sa tatlong musikero na tumutugtog ng iba't ibang instrumento. The Transfiguration, 1955, depicts the transformation of Jesus on Mount Tabor. Inilalarawan ang pagbabago ni Jesus sa bundok Tabor. 30 Pieces of Silver, 1956, another biblical-themed work, illustrating the 30 pieces of silver given to Judas Iscariot. Isa pang akdang may temang Biblia na naglalarawan ng 30 pirasong pilak na ibinigay kay Judas Iscariote. The Wrestlers, 1959, a dynamic sculpture capturing the intensity of a wrestling match. Isang dynamic na iskultura na kumukuha ng intensity ng isang wrestling match. Nine Muses, 1959, represents the nine muses of Greek mythology. Kumakatawan sa siyam na muse ng mitolohiyang Griego. Sacrifice, 1960, a powerful sculpture depicting the sacrifice of a mother for her child. Isang makapangyarihang eskultura na naglalarawan sa sakripisyo ng isang ina para sa kanyang anak. Family, 1969, a group sculpture symbolizing the unity and strength of a family. Isang grupong iskultura na sumisimbolo sa pagkakaisa at lakas ng isang pamilya. Sunburst, 1974, an abstract sculpture that resembles the rays of the sun. Isang abstract na iskultura na kahawig ng mga sinag ng araw. Sandugo Monument, 1995, commemorates the blood compact between Spanish explorer Miguel López de Legazpi and Dato Sicatuna of Bohol in 1565. Ginuginita ang blood compact sa pagitan ng Spanish explorer na si Miguel López de Legazpi at Dato Sicatuna ng Bohol noong 1565. Philippine Pegasus, 1996, a winged horse sculpture located at the Cultural Center of the Philippines Complex. Isang winged horse sculpture na matatagpuan sa Cultural Center of the Philippines Complex. Integrated Circuits, 1997, part of the UPITDC, University of the Philippines Institute of Technology Development Center, project, representing the field of electronics. Bahagi ng UPITDC, University of the Philippines Institute of Technology Development Center, project, na kumakatawan sa larangan ng electronics. Bagong Katipunan, 2001, a monument at the Bonifacio Shrine in Manila, honoring the Philippine Revolutionary Society Katipunan. Isang monumento sa Bonifacio Shrine sa Maynila na nagpaparangal sa revolusyonaryong lipunan ng Pilipinas na Katipunan. Ang Veil, The Dance, 2004, a bronze sculpture depicting a couple dancing. Isang bronze sculpture na naglalarawan ng mag-asawang sumasayaw. Ling-Anay, 2004, a bronze drum sculpture located at the Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center in Quezon City. Isang bronze drum sculpture na matatagpuan sa Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center sa Quezon City. Raja Sulaiman Monument, 2005, honors Raja Sulaiman, a pre-Hispanic chieftain of Manila. Pinarangalan si Raja Sulaiman, isang pre-Hispanic na pinuno ng Maynila. These are just a few examples of Napoleon Abueva's extensive body of work. His contributions to Philippine art and sculpture have left a lasting legacy, and his works continue to be celebrated and appreciated. Ilan lamang ito sa mga halimbawa ng malawak na gawain ni Napoleon Abueva. Ang kanyang mga kontribusyon sa sining at iskultura ng Pilipinas ay nag-iwan ng pangmatagalang pamana, at ang kanyang mga gawa ay patuloy na ipinagdiriwang at pinahahalagahan.
Sunburst, an abstract sculpture by Napoleon Abueva, is said to resemble the rays of which celestial body? A. Moon. B. Stars. C. Sun. D. Planets. What historical event does the San Jago Monument, 1995, by Napoleon Abueva commemorate? A. Declaration of Philippine Independence. B. Battle of Mactan. C. Blood Compact in 1565. D. EDSA Revolution. Where is the Philippine Pegasus sculpture by Napoleon Abueva located? A. National Museum of the Philippines. B. Ayala Museum. C. Cultural Center of the Philippines Complex. D. Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center. Which project does the sculpture Integrated Circuits, 1997, by Napoleon Abueva belong to? A. UP ITDC project. B. Ayala Land Development. C. National Infrastructure Initiative. D. Boal Heritage Conservation. Bagong Katipunan, 2001, is a monument located at which historical site in Manila? A. Rizal Park. B. Fort Santiago. C. Bonifacio Shrine. D. Intramuros. What does Ang Bail, the Dance, 2004, depict in bronze? A. Musical performance. B. Martial arts. C. Traditional ritual. D. Couple dancing. Where can the bronze drum sculpture Linganay, 2004, by Napoleon Abueva be found? A. National Museum of Fine Arts. B. UP Diliman Campus. C. Cultural Center of the Philippines Complex. D. Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center. Which pre-Hispanic chieftain is honored by the Raja Suleiman Monument, 2005? A. Lapu-Lapu. B. Datu Sikatuna. C. Raja Humaban. D. Raja Suleiman. What is the theme of Nine Muses, 1959, by Napoleon Abueva? A. Philippine mythology. B. Greek mythology. C. Roman mythology. D. Hindu mythology. In which year did Napoleon Abueva pass away, leaving behind his extensive body of work? A. 2010. B. 2015. C. 2018. D. 2020. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you found our teacher Lumaban's self-learning video enjoyable and informative. If you gained new knowledge from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We value your feedback. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope to see you again in our next video. May God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.